In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a nice email through Pipedrive. We're going to walk through creating a polished, reusable email template inside Pipedrive's sales inbox. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the email composer, set up a new template, and customize it with formatting, images, colors, and personalization fields so your emails look professional and stay consistent. First, start inside your Pipedrive account. Look toward the top or side navigation bar for the mail icon, sometimes labeled as Sales Inbox. This is where all your email activity inside Pipedrive lives. Go ahead and click that mail or sales inbox icon to open your email workspace. Once your inbox is open, you'll see your messages, and usually near the top, a button to start a new message. Click the option that says New Email. This opens the standard email composer where you would normally type and send a one-off email. Instead of writing from scratch, we're going to turn this into a template that you can reuse. In the composer window, look for the option that says Choose Template. When you click that, a menu will appear. From there, select Manage Templates. This takes you to the area where all of your email templates are stored and organized. Inside the Template Manager, look for the button that says Add New Template and click it. This is where you'll actually design the email you want to use again and again. Think about a common email you send, like a welcome message, a meeting follow-up, or a proposal summary. You'll build that here so you don't have to retype it every time. Now you'll see the email editor with a formatting toolbar. Use that toolbar to make your email visually appealing and easy to read. You can change fonts, adjust text sizes, and use bold or italics sparingly to highlight key details. Add images, like your company logo or a simple banner, to reinforce your branding. You can also add color to headings or buttons, but try to stick with your brand colors so the email looks consistent and professional. One of the most powerful parts of this editor is the ability to insert fields for personalization. These are placeholders that automatically pull information from your Pipedrive data, such as the contact's first name, company name, or deal details. For example, instead of typing "Hi there," you can insert a first name field so it becomes "Hi, first name." When the email sends, Pipedrive replaces that field with the actual person's name. Take a moment to read through your template, making sure the tone fits your audience and all placeholders are correct. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Your new template is now stored in Pipedrive, ready to be used whenever you compose a new email from the sales inbox.